What if your classroom had no exams, used virtual reality, and let you learn outside in nature? Across the globe, some countries are reinventing education, and their students are thriving. Welcome to EdQuest 360. Today, we are counting down the top 5 countries with the most innovative schools reshaping the future of learning. First up, Finland. No exams until teens, no homework in early years and teachers are among the most respected professionals here. Learning is relaxed but effective. In Finland, students enjoy stress-free learning with no standardized tests until their teens. The focus is on creativity, collaboration, and real-world problem solving. Instead of memorizing, students focus on creativity, collaboration, and problem solving. Plus, the national curriculum allows flexible teaching based on real-world themes. Fun fact: Finnish schools have shorter days and better results. Second, Japan at number 2. Japan, a country where respect, discipline, and technology meet. From group lunches to self-cleaning duties, students learn responsibility. But what's more, Japan is blending AI, robotics, and smart learning to create tech-savvy future minds. Japan blends tradition with technology, teaching students responsibility through daily tasks like cleaning. Its classrooms are becoming high-tech hubs with robotics and AI integration. Highlight: emotional education is just as important as academics. Third, South Korea. Third is South Korea, home to one of the world's most advanced digital classrooms. Students here use tablets, smart boards, and real-time data learning. South Korea leads in digital classrooms. South Korea leads in digital classrooms, with smart tech and e-learning tools in nearly every school. While academic pressure is high, new reforms focus on creativity and student well-being. Despite pressure, the government is shifting toward happy education where mental health and creativity are prioritized. Stat: over 90% of classrooms are digitally connected. Fourth, Singapore, a global leader in STEM education and personalized learning. Every student gets tailored support, and the curriculum evolves every 6 years to match future skills. Innovation labs, tech internships, and emotional learning are all part of daily school life. Singapore offers a future-focused education with top global rankings in STEM. Personalized learning, innovation labs, and emotional intelligence are core to every student's journey. Cool fact: Singapore ranks number 1 in global education rankings consistently. Fifth, Estonia, rural schools with fast internet, coding classes for kids. Number 5 might surprise you, it's Estonia. Estonia is a digital education pioneer where kids start coding from age 7. Every school is connected online, making tech-driven, personalized learning the norm. This small Baltic nation is a tech giant in education. Every child learns coding from grade 1. Every school is digitally connected, and teachers use AI tools to personalize learning journeys. Stat: Estonia is ranked number 1 in Europe for digital learning. In a world changing faster than ever, these 5 countries prove that education must evolve too. From mental well-being to AI-powered learning, the future classroom is already here, just not evenly distributed. So, what can your country learn from these global pioneers? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EdQuest 360 for more global learning journeys.